In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can download Zoom app on PC. First, go to Google search and here search for Zoom download. Now go to the first link. Now you will see three versions. If you're Windows 64-bit, then click on this, and if you're Windows 32-bit, then download this. So my Windows 64-bit, click on this, and it's downloaded. Now click on that. Now it will ask you to allow this app to make change, so just click on yes, and then it's installing, and our Zoom app successfully installed. Now click on done. Now if you open Zoom app, and then if you have already account, then click on sign in. If you don't have account, then click on sign up. After that you can use Zoom. So this is how you can download Zoom app on your PC. Hope that this video help you out. Thanks for watching.